Good morning from Little Rock, Arkansas. I had a great time in Tennessee, but it was like, I felt like I'd been there for days, and then I realized I had, so it's time to move on. After I got super lucky on day 4, I made my way to Little Rock and realized I was driving with a lampshade on my head and I had no space. So I pulled over in Little Rock, got a hotel, ended up doing another Whatnot show. I know I'd been going back and forth, flip-flopping. This is a very stressful situation. And it's one of those situations where it's like, you know when you're like, I'll be happy when? Well, it's like, I'll be less stressed when, except something else always pops up. So I wrapped up all my packages and got a USPS pickup, thank goodness. So I have a little space in my car now at least. I've picked out about 3 or 4 antique malls in the Little Rock area I would like to go to before I make my way to Oklahoma. So here's to the first stop of the day on day 5 of my cross-country road trip. Oh my gosh. Dude, I'm just gonna go ahead and show this case off. I can't even focus on the prices because I'm so distracted by how much stuff is in here. Look at those cats with the stripes. Oh my gosh. And they've got their original tags. I'm not even a Halloween person, but I don't think I've ever seen such a fantastic Halloween case. This stuff's really hard to find. It looks like it is kind of priced somewhat accordingly, but it doesn't seem unreasonable by any means. And they're running 20% off anything not marked firm. There's a couple things in here that caught my attention, like the 1950s cup. That's so cute. I'm afraid I would get that damaged. It's this little card, come to my Halloween party, that really has my attention. And of course the cats that look like they're in essentially like a jail uniform. I can't see the prices, but I'm assuming they're spendy. But they also have a little Easter nook. And up here, this is definitely the most intriguing thing I see, that plastic basket. Unfortunately, at $125, I obviously can't do anything with that for resale. But they also have Valentine's Day. Now, Valentine's Day is definitely priced accordingly. I can see they're all about what I would sell this for. But just in case you were wondering where Christmas is, don't worry. It's here too. All right, so let's just do a quick pan. Again, definitely priced accordingly, but so freaking incredible. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Oh. The candy canes. Look at the elf boot. That's so cool. I've never seen that one. So I did see the price tag on the cards. It looks like they are about retail for sure at $27.50 with 20% off. I'm still trying to catch a glimpse of the price tag on the cats. I can't see. I'm gonna have to get a key. Nope. I saw the tags. So they're very expensive. Just know that. 3 digits. So to say it's expensive is a little bit of an understatement. You know, I'm looking at that Love Santa planter. That's at $45. That's fair. Ugh, unfortunately, it's all collector's prices. I mean, not that that's unreasonable. This is like really quality stuff. But you know me, I'm cheap in buying to resell. But I also have to look at these bracelets. Oh my gosh, look at the square rhinestone ones. Oh, those are so fantastic. Those are at $25. That's about retail, honestly. It's totally fair. And then I got the Bakelite ones too. Wow. Fantastic. And something else I've never seen. Look at these guys. I've never seen that set. What do they say? $27.50. The son and daughter one. Wait, is it for all 4? Oh, it's figurines. They're not salt and pepper shakers. Those are so neat. And the Holt Howard string holder. So I noticed a lot of the cases in this booth say 30% off unless marked firm. I'm kind of wondering if this one is too. Well, I think for the bracelets, it still leaves it a little too close. But oh my gosh, look at all this fantasticness. This was definitely worth the stop. So neat. Wow. I love the elephant watering can. And again, with the 30% off, but look at the Risque Girl ashtrays. Oh my gosh, so fantastic. And the celluloid flamingo brooch. I love this. So again, I can already see it's marked at retail. I actually have this planter. I bought it for resale, but I couldn't have the heart to sell. I didn't have the heart to sell it. That's at 30 and 20% off. So fantastic. I love Happy Lemons. Oh my gosh, look at the jam jar. Does that say 1850? And is this one 30% off too? I think it is. I might have to get in there. It's missing its spoon, but at that price, that's a rare one. I also see the little cat. It's got some serious wear damage to it, but price right. That jam jar, I think I'm gonna have to see. I'm kind of curious. It says with spoon though. Oh, the spoon. Oh, there is a spoon in there. All right, I need a key. So I did grab the jam jar, and it was indeed exactly what I thought it was, and it was marked DeForest. Now, I don't know if it's DeForest or DeForest, but either way, I've had those ones before, and I've sold them upwards of $70, and it did have the little spoon in it. There is so much fun, kitschy stuff in here, even though the prices aren't really geared towards resellers like myself. I'm not mad at it. Like, look at this. I love these old bingo cards. These are really spectacular. Let's see. Over 10, so 20%, everything over 10 includes firm. Unfortunately, this one's at 10, so it would be 10, but I don't think that's unreasonable. I think these are really fun. I kind of want to get them. Maybe I could get them and put them as like a buy it now or something. It's kind of a weird shape to want to ship, but I'm a little on the fence. I think they're so much fun though. I love that they have the sliding like that. Well, there's a few more things in here that catch my attention. Like the Pixies. Those are at 15 each. And then what's the elf at? The elf's at 15 too. I wonder if there's additional discount. I'm so all over the place because I also noticed the fish. Oh my gosh, it's an hors d'oeuvres fish. Wait, $12? Oh my gosh, that's fantastic. I think you could do really something fun with that too. I kind of want to get that. Fish usually sell pretty well for me. What else do they have in here? Yeah, so I am going to go ahead and get the fish for sure. It's in pristine condition. It's kind of hard not to. And I love these salt and pepper shakers, but they have like a little hairline, unfortunately. Love the bar hounds. That's actually a really great price. A couple times I've seen them in PA. They're really expensive. The little Joseph Originals timer is so cute. The little egg timer. Again, with these candy containers. How neat. I'm trying to see what the price is. Maybe my camera could help me out. 35 firm. Oh, they're salt and pepper. They're not candy containers. And all the fabulous spaghetti poodles. Oh. Yeah, so the ones that are marked firm are 20% off. So that leaves it right about retail. Look at these guys. Those are so cute. I've never seen that set before. I love all the Art Nouveau, Victorian jewelry caskets. Oh, I love the miniature ones the most. Dude, what? The Holt Howard yo-yos. Oh my gosh, look at those angel ornaments. Those are fantastic. Well, I'm not a Johanna Parker person, but I was about to go off about all the fabulous Johanna Parker Halloween stuff they had when I turned around and I saw the most fabulous freaking anything I've ever seen. Wow. Wow. That's a really fair price, too. I kind of want one. Oh, I kind of want that. I can't justify. Of course, this one's fabulous, and that one's at a little less. I had one like that. It was a repop, but this one, I've never seen anything quite like it. And even though it's got wear, I kind of feel like it's worn in all the right places. And you can use it as a vase. Man, that's epic. Oh, I hate leaving that. What is this box? That is so gorgeous. $3. What? Does it smell weird? It's like a powder box. I'm nervous about traveling with that. It's so romantic, though. It's got some damage on it. I'm a little... It does not really smell, but still, I'm just like a little nervous about... What if that came apart? That would be a mess. I don't know. It seems like it's pretty in there. You know what else has my attention? That little lamp. What? That is so stinking cute. I don't see a price on it. I feel like I'm gonna be here forever. I've already been here for like 45 minutes and haven't even done an aisle. Oh, so much to look at. I mean, it's all the stuff I like, too. I'm kind of glad that the prices are what they are. Otherwise, it looks like I would just be staying in Little Rock and just doing this all over again. I wouldn't be able to fit in my car. Now, this also has my attention. All the little cats. $10 each. That's about, okay, so, oh my gosh, yeah, $10 each. That's about what I get for them. Oh, I'm so tempted. It's just a little close to justify, though. Especially because this is only my first stop of the day on a 6-week trip. I haven't even gone for a week. Now, this is incredible. Wow. I think this one with the rhinestones is probably newer than I want, but it looks like the prices on some of these are super reasonable. Okay, so that one says $39. Okay, yeah, that's a little too much for me to resell. But look at all their fun jewelry. Oh my gosh, it just keeps going. I love it.